This is a quick video to help people out. If you have an idle air control valve problem where your car goes whoop, 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 and you've changed out the idle air control valve, I don't know, maybe 3 times now, there was this thing I forgot about on my throttle body that I need to show you. So inside of here, there is a little plastic wheel. See. This thing right here. So this sometimes will come loose. Give me a second and I'll show you.
Fire on you and I'll hang you from the ceiling. Couldn't see me with a silk scope. Acting off the shits, bro. The long nose keeping you controlled like him. Keep it on me, let me show you what it is.
Okay, so I've got it loose. This thing right here will come loose. It's threads. And this sets inside, right? This is a bypass that goes, it allows air through somewhere, I guess through here or there, but anyway, it goes to this hole. Yep. Anyway, this thing being loose can cause idle air control symptoms. And to fix it, you push it in, twist.
Long burger patty and Coke and black.
Keep twisting. And you can use this flathead to tighten it down the rest of the way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this out and put a dab of RTV as like a lock. Just like on the side there, so it won't unspin, and then this throttle body will be ready to go in. I'm going to change some gaskets on it and just get it ready as a backup. So hopefully that helps someone.